Hello, guys. Welcome to Digital Marketing Course Online. And yesterday we spoke about what is domain, what is hosting, and today we are directly going to create a website. Sorry, I was late. Confusingly, I've been to the Telugu channel, and later I realized and came back. And I thought of creating a new Gmail account, but I didn't have time. So people who finish the task can mail me on this email address, right? And before that, what can we revise the topic yesterday's?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So to create a website, we require two things, right? What are those?
Domain and hosting, sir.
So you wanted domain and hosting, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me share the screen. What do you mean by domain?
Domain which we um, write the name, sir. We search for the name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Domain is the name of the website. Hosting means
Space. Hosting means the space in the server, sir. Server, sir.
okay. Okay. What is the difference between .com and .in?
Dot inside is local India. India.
Okay. .com is,
Worldwide, sir.
and if you want to target US, which one you'll take?
.com, sir. Dot US. Yeah. Dot US.
.us is local in US.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And where will you buy this domain and hosting?
GoDaddy and other sites.
Okay. And you
Host.
know it, right? How to buy domain hosting, you know it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And yesterday I told you to find some domains, domain names. Have you worked on it?
Yes, sir. I've sent you, sir. You sent on WhatsApp. Soumya sent you.
In WhatsApp you sent? I didn't get it actually.
New number, WhatsApp new number. Let me just check. तुमने मेरा इसको भेजा.
Guys, remaining students who watching live also, if you finish the task, please send me over there. I'll look into that.
अभी आएगा देखो कुछ.
Did you get, sir?
Yes.
Mm.
So haircareway.com,
Yeah.
okay, strands,
Let's see.
Magico hair. Good. How much time you spent?
Maybe half an hour.
Okay. So Suraj has done something. Let me open it.
Mm.
So he thought of toys business
Mm.
and traditional method. He tried alltoys.in. Very good. And it is available 579 per year.
Mm.
Some domain names. He said India Post, SBI,
Mm.
Smania, WhatsApp. Hmm. Suraj, it was a good work, but
Mm.
actually, this 10 domain names, my question was to try if you want to create a new one, not like the existing one. But anyway, I like the toys one, it was really good. Okay, understood, right, Swati?
Yes,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
today we're gonna create a website directly. I'm going to Bluehost. I'll take one of my existing domain and in that only we're going to create a sample website. It's very basic today, and after this you'll be learning how to create a sample website. Let me take one example and we'll work on it. This is my Bluehost account. As of now I can suggest people who want to buy Bluehost is good. And yeah, to practice, you people also buy a domain and hosting so that it will be good for you. It will cost you around 4,000 rupees. Before you buy, just message me so that I'll guide you. I will be giving us some affiliate link so that I'll be getting a commission as well. With no extra cost, you'll be getting the same domain hosting, but I'll be getting a commission. I'll be mentioning that affiliate link in the description. And students who join with us, we'll give them domain hosting for practice. So this is the existing website. I'm resetting and we'll start from scratch. Swati, generally to create any website, we need a HTML, PHP, Java, these kind of scripts are required. Now see here, can you see this website?
Yes, sir.
This website is designed in WordPress and but I'll open the coding. You can see here, by default, this much of code is generated. If I really want to develop that website, this much coding is required, which is really tough to write this much code. Correct? Around 1555 lines of code only for the first page, home page only. Okay, but we are not going to learn all these things. This much code is not at all required, and there is an application called WordPress. This is WordPress. There are so many things like this: WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Magento, Shopify. These are the platforms where you can create a website. Now, see, this is the console how it looks. Once you buy a domain and hosting from a Bluehost, the basic plan, directly you'll be going to the dashboard like this. This is the Bluehost dashboard. This is how it looks like. And once you make the payment, and you will see all your site, and you'll be going to the WordPress dashboard, something like this. Here we are going to create a website.
Okay, sir.
Now you see here there are no much options over here. Not even 10 options are there. Your smartphone have more than 100 options, but you're happily browsing the smartphone. So this is easier. Creating a website is much easier than browsing your smartphone. But you should know the step-by-step options, what to do first, what to do second. So at the end of the session, you can happily able to create a website. Let's take. Right. Now, step by step process of creating a WordPress website. So first you have to create pages, second theme, third menu, fourth customize. Okay, these are the options you'll be doing it. So you'll be creating a basic website. Now assume that I want to create a hospital website and I got Apollo Hospital project. I have to create a website. So can you please tell me what are the pages required? Generally, whenever you go to any website, you will see home page, about us page, contact us page. These are the basic one. Apart from home, about us, and contact us, for a hospital website, what else required?
Services.
Services. What services?
Reviews, services,
Uh-huh.
चार्ट
Okay.
चार्जेस भी हो सकता है
But majorly, why we go to hospitals? What is the main purpose?
to get treatment, sir.
What treatment?
Any treatment,
Like example?
yeah, like
Neurology.
fever
Neurology.
fever
or,
treatment or
Bigger
any.
problems like a heart problem we have, a liver problem, kidney problem. So there is a specialization.
Yes,
So
sir.
services means you have to mention cardiology,
neurology.
gynecology, pediatrics. Okay.
Yes.
So every hospital is specialized in some kind of services. So as of now, I want to name 3 services. Later I can extend it. Okay. Right. Theme menu customize, I'll explain you. So I'll explain you first of all again. Yesterday we learned what is domain and hosting. We also learned how to by domain and hosting, difference between .com and .in, difference between HTTP and HTTPS. If someone want to create a website, what are the domain name techniques also we explained. The traditional method, contrast method, spelling mistake, abbreviations, these all we learned. And after that, now we're directly coming to the creating the website. We directly be into the dashboard. And in the dashboard, what we have to do, we started. So first pages we're gonna create it. Now assume that we are working for Apollo Hospital website, then we need to create these pages. As we already on the dashboard, can you see left hand side pages option?
Yes, sir.
So there is a pages option, right? Click on the pages. And by default, you'll be having a privacy policy sample page. If you want, you can keep them, otherwise you can delete them. By default, WordPress gave you. Now we have add new page. Click on add new page. Now start writing it. So here I'm writing home. Just type home, page name and publish. Here is the content part. You can add content, but we'll be adding a content later. Publish. That's it, guys. We have created our first page successfully. This is our website and this is the page we created. And have you written any code here?
No. No.
No, right? You can see here how much of code it has written automatically. More than not 400 lines it's written automatically. So day by day, the human intervention is reducing. The code is becoming automation. Now these days, even ChatGPT also, if you give a proper prompt, it is all able to execute the program as well. So being a marketer, it is good for you. People ask me question like, will AI is going to replace digital marketing? AI can replace many other things, not the marketing. Marketing is all about convincing the customer. Both cannot convince the customer. Both can write content, both can create image, both can create a video, but both can't convince the other person. So they need a person. So obviously there is no threat for a digital marketer. But in digital marketing, some segments are there, like writing a content.
Mm.
This content, ChatGPT can write. And creating images, ChatGPT can create images. Videos, ChatGPT can create videos as well. So this designing kind of work, future, this website designing can be automated. Now, it will come down the line 3 to 4 years. If you tell the prompt to some machine telling that I want to create a hospital website with the pages like home, about us, contact us, with the content like this, it might create. I want this kind of font, all, but it can't do marketing. So no problem for us. It is helping us to do more. So this is the example. This much code we didn't write, but automatically it is created. Okay. Next, click on this W button. Page has been created. Let me create another page. Click on add new page. About us. I'm going to create all the pages. Okay, this is contact us. Services. Cardiology. Gynecology and pediatrics. Last page. Right. All the page has been created. Now you can go and check into here. This is the first step. Second thing is theme. So the theme is nothing but templates. Now you want a school template, college template, everything is built in a WordPress. Now Can you see the theme option here, left hand side? Please observe. Have you found the theme option? No, right?
Yeah, no, sir. There's no, yes, sir. No.
There is no such option, right? So then go to appearance and themes.
Okay.
Now these are the templates. There are so many templates. If you don't like any one of them, click on add new theme,
Hmm.
and these are all. Now if you click on that, it will become a blog. This is kind of a travel website.
Hmm.
This is one maybe shopping website. Okay, every theme has a name actually. This is 2024 Elementor, Generate Press. There are many. I will ask you to try many, but as of now, I will tell you one theme. Work on that theme only. Later, you can experiment. See, this is good for a blog website. This is for cosmetics, and these are all created by some developer. He put a lot of time and code. You just utilizing them. These are all are template based. But I want, as a beginner, everybody should try the theme called Minamaze. If you work on this theme, it is
Yeah.
good for you. So this is Minamaze theme.
Right.
Before that,
Hmm? Right. Why should I come? No.
so this is a sample website by default. WordPress has given to us. Now I'm adding this theme. I'm installing and activating. Done. So it was like this before. Now I applied a theme. Open in a new tab and check it. Now see our domain name is, for practice purpose, our main domain is odmt.in, and I created a subdomain on this to practice. You will be also getting one subdomain today to practice. Yeah, see here. The template has been changed now. Just install the theme and activate. The template will be changing something like this. Done. Our part is done. Pages, theme done. Third is menu. Whatever the pages we created, you can see them. The pages have been appearing here, but there is no proper pattern. Home came two times, and this cardiology, gynecology, pediatric, it should be come under services, but they're coming besides. So I have to work on that. For that, what I can do is again go to menu under appearance. There is a menu because problem with the menu, right? Go to the menu and give a name to it. Any name you can give. ABC. Then what all the pages you created, select all and add them to the menu. Add to the menu. Now these all pages getting added to your menu. Home, about us, contact us, but these are all not in a proper way. So put your cursor here, drag and drop. Services and contact us should be down. Now it looks like cardiology is below services, but it is not. To make these three services under services section, what you have to do is put your cursor on cardiology, drag to the right side. Understood, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? This become a sub item of services. These three are under services. Assume that you want under services pediatrics. Under pediatrics, you want something else. Then you have to drag right side to the pediatrics. Then under services pediatrics, under pediatrics, that item will come. This is how you have to do it. Then same way. And go and check. Still, it will not come. Why? Because the last option is there called customization. What is customization is template, the theme you applied, but this is not looking like a hospital website. Why? Because the developer who written the code, he write a general code and he wrote a general images. You can replace them. So customization is an option where everything you can customize. You can change the logo, you can change the slides, you can change this section, you can change the footer, everything, color combination, As you like, you can change it. And they gave an interface for us to do that. So customization, the biggest part is this only. Only adding a theme is not perfect. Apart from that, you have to go to customization and you have to finish it. Here again, don't miss anything. One by one, you have to finish. What is this? What is this? Now, first, the site identity. What is the website name? I'm writing Apollo Hospital. Immediately it will appear. If you want, you can upload a logo also. And tagline, I'm writing best hospital in Hyderabad. And publish. See how fast it is. Now see Apollo Hospital. Next, go back instead of closing it. Color combination. If you want, you can change the colors. So many colors are there. Header image, background image, everything. I spoke about menu. Menu is not proper, right? Here in the customization also, menu option will be coming. Click on this menu, view all location. Whatever the menu name you given, you just select it. Now your menu will be applying here. Now this will be perfect. Now you can see here, home, about us, under services, cardiology, gynecology, pediatrics will be there. What it? Now see, this section is perfect now. In such a way, check all the options, every option. You should not miss anything. Here, I don't have to teach everything here because if I teach this template also, if you change the template, again the settings will be different. So,
Yes, sir.
as a student, what you have to do is explore every option.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is missing is in this template, the slider settings are not coming. So, check everything. But here, there is an option called theme options. Just check here. Again, few more options are there. In such a way, each and every option, if you don't miss it, you will get it. Under theme option, under home page, there is a image slider option. Here, I can add the images. Now, tell me, what images let us add here? So it look like hospital website.
Like a
Like a
doctor.
doctor images or staff images
Correct.
and
So you can
rooms.
download those images from Google, no problem. People think about copyright, but as an individual person, if you download, nothing will happen. You can remove anytime. But actually, you're really working for Apollo Hospital and you have downloaded Yashoda Hospital images, that is a crime only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In that case, you can go to few websites like pixels.com. Here,
Pixels.
royalty
Okay.
free images download. But as of now, I want you to try from Google only. When you're
Okay.
working for a bigger companies, copyright is a problem. As of now, individual person, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Okay. Then what is the procedure? Assume that you have used someone images. So then what happens? That guy will send you an email that this is my image and I don't want someone else to use. Can you please remove it? Then you can remove it. And if you're not listening, what he will do is he will find out where is our website hosted. Then our website is hosted in Bluehost. They'll send an email to Bluehost. Bluehost people will call you. Then you have to remove. Otherwise, they'll ban your website itself. But individual contributor, nothing will happen. But if you are working for a big companies, then only problem. Okay. But anyway, if you're working for a big hospital or big company, obviously you will be having a photographer who will create images. So no problem.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yeah. So download from a Google. I've already downloaded some doctors' images. When you're downloading images again, people do mistakes into the images. Directly they'll click and save images. No. Click on the image and wait for the to be clarity. Then click on save image. Then it will get saved. Now what all the images I downloaded, I'm uploading here. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Let me upload them. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Right, 3 images I've added and I'm publishing it. Now let me open our website in a new window, course.odmt.in. Initially when we tried, it was like this basic. Second, template wise. Now even I added images. Now, are you getting a hospital feeling or not?
Yeah.
This,
Yes, sir.
but the image was not proper. To make the image proper, again here settings will be there. When you scroll down, slider height. I'm giving some number. So see now it will become a bigger image. It's good, right?
Yes.
Now we didn't even spend much time on that. Now slowly you can add so many options to this as well. But as of now, I'll give only few options. Slowly we'll go for advanced option from tomorrow. Now slide one, you can write something here. Welcome to Apollo Hospital, best hospital in Hyderabad. Someone click on that, it has to go
Mm.
to home. Second, best cardiologist in Hyderabad. Book an appointment. Someone click, it has to go to cardiology. And children doctors in Hyderabad. And someone click, it has to go to pediatrics. Publish. So I'm adding more functionality to my website. Now, can you see this?
Yes, sir. Read more.
Now, when you go to slide, when I click on this, when I click here, it will go to the cardiology section. Now, cardiology section page, we can add content. As of now, we didn't add content. In the future, we'll be adding a content as well. And we didn't even spend more than 20 minutes and we created one website. And these are three places. Again, one more section the developer has given to us. Here, what we can add is this is for cardiology, gynecology, pediatrics. We can do it. For that, go back. Homepage option is this. This is homepage featured. This guy is given for this. So homepage featured. Now content area 1, content area 2, content area 3. Quickly, let me add them as well. Content area 1, cardiology. Someone click on that, it has to go to cardiology. Content area 2, this is for pediatrics. It's up to you. You can link back to any page. Content area 3. And you can add different set of images as well, but we use the same images. Now see, this area also will be replaced, right?
Yes.
Now less than 20 minutes, we created something. This much is enough. So yesterday we learned domain hosting, the differences. Today directly we logged into the WordPress
Mm-hmm.
and there is a step-by-step process. First we created pages. I applied Minamaze theme.
Mm-hmm.
Then I've set a proper menu and slowly I started customizing. Students have to focus more on the customization only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I walk through the options, but I'm telling you, I spent 20 minutes. I created a website. If I give it to you,
Mm.
it will take you more than 1 hour to create the
Yes,
same
sir.
website.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Why? Because you're not aware of the options. But if you
Yes,
spend
sir.
3 to 4 hours, you can do the website in 15 minutes only. Only
Yes.
thing is, initially you will struggle, but in the long run you will not struggle. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. And assume that you show this to the client, and client says that this is good, but I want more. Then what you can do is go to the theme and change the theme. Try new themes. There are n number of themes. There are n number of themes you can try them, but we're not trying today. We'll be trying tomorrow only. But assume that you applied this theme. When you click on this, it doesn't mean that your website will look like this immediately. No, you have to go to the custom. I'll show you example. Glamour Hub. This is looking good. Then let
Mm-hmm.
me install it. The developer is saying that if you install this, your website may look like this, but that is not true. You see here, I change the theme. When you change the theme, entire thing will go. It will be replaced by something else. Now see here. Okay, whatever he said, it came. But we want to create a hospital website. He gave a design. Now here maybe one doctor image. There is something else. You have to replace all these things with your own examples. For that again, I have to go to the customization again. Now here different options will be there. Minamaze theme is different. This is different. There are different options. But this is a block theme. This is not good as of now. Okay, and you show it to the client. Client says that this is looking fabulous, but I don't like this. I want a hospital environment. The previous one is much better, he said. Then immediately, what you can do is you can reactivate your minimalist theme. Your data will be saved. So you are free to try n number of themes. And whenever you want to go back to your basic theme, you can go back, no problem. See, it is saved. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is how you will be creating a website. I'll be sending you the subdomain details on WhatsApp and you can start working on that. Just small revision will do it and we'll move forward. So Swati, can you please tell me, in order to create a website, two things are important. What are that?
Domain plus hosting.
Domain plus hosting. So
Mm-hmm.
domain means
Name,
name of the website.
website,
Hosting means
space in the server.
yes, space in a server.
Server.
Now domain plus hosting equals to website.
Yes, sir.
And you clearly know, right, how to buy a domain and hosting.
Yes, sir.
And students who are watching this live, you have to buy the domain and hosting, because when it comes to Swati, she joined my classes. I can give her subdomain. Our server limits fee, because I have hundreds of students actually, but
Yes.
I can't give it to online students. So the best way to learn this course is not by watching my videos, by practicing. Now she'll be doing a practice. Today she did a practice. Yesterday Suraj also did a practice. But today, what you will practice? You have to work on your domain and hosting only. So you have to buy a domain hosting. So there are Bluehost, everything is there. Whenever you made your mind to buy the hosting, buy from my link so that I'll be getting a small affiliate commission. It will encourage me to more free videos like this. So whoever want to create a website, buy a domain hosting, I gave my email address. You can mail me that you want to buy it. I'll give you the link. You can buy from that link. This is my email address, and you can mail me that I'm looking forward to buy a domain hosting. I'll give you link. Click on that link and buy domain hosting. It will cost you 4,000 rupees, guys. That's it. Throughout the course, how much money I ask you to invest is 4,000 is for domain hosting, and Google Ads I'll ask you to invest 1,000 rupees, and Facebook Ads 1,000 rupees. It's enough. With this, you'll be getting a certification. Okay. But whereas Swati will be getting, because she joined my course, I'll be giving her subdomain. I will create right now the subdomain. Can you see this, Swati? The dashboard.
Yes, sir.
This is the Bluehost account I created, I purchased, and here odmt.in is my main website.
Mm-hmm.
So I took a big hosting. If you took a big hosting, you can create n number of subdomains. I can give it to the students. But if it is more, there is a load on the server. I have already given enough to my students. Chalo, I'm creating a subdomain and give it to you immediately. Create a site, and I'm writing your name only. And I'm giving a username and password to you. And I'll be sending this ID and password to you. Next. Directory. Now your domain name will be odmt.in/Swati.
Swati. Okay. odmt.in/Swati. Yeah. mt.in/.
I will show you.
Yes.
Now can you see this? odmt.in is my website.
Yes, sir.
Assume that I want to make changes here. Now I wanted to remove this 6 months course. Then I have to log in, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to log into WordPress? So to log into the WordPress, type your domain name. After that, /wp-admin. WP means WordPress. Admin means you are the admin. Enter. And once you enter, it will ask you the username and password. This username and password, once you purchase, you will be getting. When it comes to you, I'm going to give it to you. This username and password, I'm going to give you. Or else if you have a Bluehost account directly, you can go from Bluehost to the WordPress also. Can you see here odmt.in/swati? Automatically it has been created. This is your domain now.
Mm-hmm.
And let me show you how to log into this. So odmt.in/swati. This is a subdomain I created. So every time you want to log in, you have to type odmt.in/swati,
Mm-hmm.
then /wp-admin. Then it is asking you username and password. And this username and password you'll be getting shortly. Now when you enter, it will go to the dashboard. Now once you go to the dashboard, what you have to do, you know it, right? What are you going to do now? Once you go to the dashboard, you go to create a website, right?
Yeah, website, yes, sir.
What you will do first?
Pages. Page,
Pages, theme, menu.
themes, customize menu, yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to give you a task. The
Mm-hmm.
task for you is interior designing. So there is an interior designer came to you and he asked you to create a interior designing website. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
first do a business plan like what all the pages are required for them. For
Okay,
a
sir.
hospital, I told you this. For interior designing, do a groundwork.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
And after that, I want you to create pages. And after that, theme, I want you to try only Minamaze theme, not anything else.
Why, sir? Why we have to choose only Vietnamese?
You can choose anything, but at this stage, I want you to do only this one. Only.
Okay, sir.
After one day, you can do freedom.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because if
Yes.
you work on Minamaze theme, you
Yeah.
can work on any themes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Okay,
I'm
sir.
not giving you freedom today. You have
Okay.
to work on Minamaze only. After that, your creativity can try a number of themes.
Okay, sir.
Then I want proper menu, and after that, you have to customize. And
Customization.
when I see the website, you have to customize everything. That's now how we work here. We
Mm-hmm.
changed everything:
Yes, sir.
title, menu, the images, this part, everything I've done. So I want your website to be something like this. Okay,
Yes,
definitely you face problems. Come back to this ODMT English, go to live section. This video will be saved.
yes, sir.
Watch
Okay,
this
sir.
video and do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so tomorrow before the class, I'll be checking here and we'll move forward to the class. Any more questions?
No, no, sir.
Everything fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Maybe 16 minutes. Chalo then.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir. Thank you, sir.
See you. I'll be WhatsApping you the ID and password.
Yes, sir. So, thank you, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Right, guys. That was about the creating a WordPress website. Guys, any questions you have, you can ask me. People are there who are watching the live. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Mohan, WeChat, Suraj, Shivanagraj. Any questions you have? Have you understood how to create a website? Any questions you have, you can ask me so that I can explain to you. Okay, Suraj. Remaining people, any questions? Chalo, tomorrow, 7. Okay, we chat Telugu. Yeah, Suraj, it was pretty easy. But I'm telling you, when you practice, kind of a different story again. It will take some time. It will be somewhat confusing. I'm not telling that it's a rocket science, but when you're practicing, you don't find this much easy. And you'll learn so many things again. You'll be adding a plugins, then it will become a complex. But anyway, designing is very easy. And whoever want to practice, please purchase domains and hosting. Then only it is good for you. If you watch, nothing will happen. Yes, Lakshmi Raja, there is a plugin. Tomorrow I will show you the plugin. How to delete everything and start from the scratch. I'll be showing you. Okay. And whoever want to purchase the domains, if you have, it's okay. If you don't have, try to purchase it. And mail me on subhashmangalam796@gmail.com so that I will give you the affiliate link. Click on that link and purchase the domain hosting and practice it. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow. And if you have any questions, come back to this channel, and in the live section, this video will be saved. Watch the video and practice it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.